Yes.
Okay. Unboxing all fursuit. The tape is like already coming off.
Makes your job easier, right?
I don't want to jab it too far in. Squeaky's nervous. She's like, what is everyone doing here?
Poor Squeaky.
There's so much tape. Safe. It's nice and safe. I think I just hurt myself with the scissors, but that's okay. They're very sharp. Okay, here we go. Oh shit, there's my feet. They're so big! Look it! Oh, they're so big! It's the tail. It's so soft.
Yay! Exciting.
This is an arm? Arms! Oh, look at that! That's so nice. That's good. And that's one more feet. Yeah. Oh my god. The head looks so good.
The big moment.
How do I open it? Top. Oh, the hand paws are in here too. Oh Lord. Oh, look at her. Oh.
There
Maybe
she
furry.
is. Yes, put it on. Put it on.
Go on. Oh, there's the...
How does it feel?
Interesting.
Do you love it?
I do. My ears hurt though. My
Oh,
piercings.
worth it though, I
A little
think.
tight. It's okay. Oh my god, look at the gauges.
And no, she's cute as hell.
The mouth opens too. And there's
The blue tongue.
I love
Oh.
my blue tongue.
What a good...
There we go. Oh damn, this has awesome vision.
Hooray!
I'm a furry.
Your evolution's complete.
God bless.